We doing so mango pineapple. Here we go.
It doesn't want to go under.
What you think? Mango pineapple.
It's just a smoky version of Mexican candies.
A smoothie version of Mexican candy?
No, a smoky version.
Smoky version of Mexican candy?
Yes.
Okay. Second one is just regular raspberry.
Oh,
growing
Lord.
Raspberry.
Oh, Lord.
Do a little.
Try not to let it drip. I like that one.
So that was the growing raspberry.
That one tastes like I could put that on with like my peanut butter and make a jelly sandwich.
Really?
Yes, it tastes like raspberry jelly. Just
like preserves?
Yeah.
Cool. Now is growing raspberry habanero. Okay.
It's got a kick to it.
What kind?
Like it's got the habanero kick, but it's sweet. So it's sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy. Growing pineapple.
It's a big kick of pineapple.
That's the first taste they hit you when you taste it?
Yeah. I tasted the pineapple and then I taste smokiness behind it.
Smoky.
That's something I want to put on my wings. Those are wing. That's a wing sauce.
This is mango. No, roaring peach. Sorry, roaring peach. There you go. Yep.
It's peachy. I feel like I just ate a whole peach.
Peachy.
It is. It's peachy. It tastes like I ate a peach. Just.
Okay, so that's the peach. So we're gonna go down line. So you had the mango pineapple.
Mhm.
What was the first taste when you tasted that one?
The mango pineapple. I tasted the sweet of the pineapple.
And then what about the regular raspberry?
Raspberry was just the raspberry and smokiness
You said
behind it.
Like a peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut
what
butter
you
and
said?
jelly, yes.
And then the habanero raspberry.
Habanero. I tasted the sweet and the spicy.
Then the
pineapple. I tasted pineapple and smokiness.
And then the peach, just
the peach,
a big peach.
I literally felt like I was eating a peach.
So which one is your favorite of these 5 blends?
Well, I'm gonna toss up.
Between
the pineapple and the raspberry habanero. Those two are my favorites.